Let's learn the French verb manger, which means to eat in passé composé. It takes the auxiliary verb avoir and the participe passé of the verb concerned. Conjugation of manger in passé composé. J'ai mangé. This means I ate or I have eaten. Tu as mangé. This translates to you ate or you have eaten. Il a mangé, elle a mangé, on a mangé. These mean he ate, she ate, or we ate respectively. Note that on means universal we in the French language. Nous avons mangé. This means we ate or we have eaten. Vous avez mangé. This translates to you ate or you have eaten in a formal or plural context. Ils ont mangé, elles ont mangé. These mean they ate or they have eaten. Some leave example sentences for beginners. J'ai mangé une pomme. This means I ate an apple. Tu as mangé des pâtes hier soir. This translates to you ate pasta last night. Il a mangé un sandwich pour le déjeuner. This means he ate a sandwich for lunch. Elle a mangé une salade. This translates to she ate a salad. Nous avons mangé ensemble au restaurant. This means we ate together at the restaurant. Vous avez mangé tout le gâteau. This translates to you ate the whole cake. Ils ont mangé du poisson grill. This means they ate grilled fish. Elles ont mangé des fruits frais. This translates to they ate fresh fruits. J'ai mangé trop de bonbons. This means I ate too many candies. Tu as mangé chez tes parents here? This translates to did you eat at your parents' house yesterday? Il a mangé dans ce restaurant la semaine dernière. This means he ate at this restaurant last week. Nous avons mangé un délicieux repas de Noël. This translates to we ate a delicious Christmas meal. Vous avez mangé à midi? This means did you eat at noon? Ils ont mangé avant de partir en voyage. This translates to they ate before leaving on their trip.